Hi, my name is Wade Mortensen. I'm an attorney here in Arizona, and I deal with a lot of debt issues for people, not only in bankruptcy, out of bankruptcy, through debt consolidation or debt settlement type plans. I deal with a lot of tax issues and different things of that nature. So a lot of times people will come in and they'll have debt problems, and a lot of times we'll be looking at bankruptcy and we'll find out that if bankruptcy really doesn't work, or maybe they don't want to file, but there's an issue in their case where bankruptcy isn't really practical at the time. So we always direct the people to do a debt settlement. You know, a lot of times people come in and they say, well, I'm just going to go take a loan out of my home, or I'm just going to go borrow all of the money from my uncle and pay it off, or go get the money out of my 401k. And I always say, put the brakes on, hold on just a second, okay? In many instances, they're behind, their credit's already been dinged. So going out and getting all of those funds to pay the creditor off sometimes isn't the best thing to do. Sometimes you might be able to save a significant amount of money by negotiating a settlement. And so that's what we're talking about today, is debt settlement and what we can do and what we've done for our clients in the past. Debt settlement basically happens this way. You come in, you hire me to do the debt settlement. I contact the creditor, the collection agency, and or attorney who is handling the case, and I let them know kind of their options with regard to what your options are. You know, you have the option of possibly filing a bankruptcy or doing other things, and we offer a settlement to the creditor as opposed to maybe doing some of those other things, which are your legal rights. And in many cases, we will get a settlement from that creditor where my clients save a lot of money. I just recently did a debt settlement for a client. The overall debt was about $124,000. We settled the debt for about $50,000. So that's a $74,000 savings to my client, which is very significant. Now, here's the issue. My client had to come up with $50,000, but he was in a position where he could do it. It's much better to come up with $50,000 than $124,000. And so we do that all the time. I do a lot of very small debt settlements. I'll settle debts that are $10,000, $5,000, $20,000. And we have various amounts that we settle those debts for. In most instances, I recommend my clients have a lump sum ready to go. So at that point, I would say, yes, go to the uncle, borrow the money. Maybe take the money out of a 401k. Maybe refinance the home and grab a little bit of cash. But if you can offer them a lump sum, we typically can get you a large savings. Sometimes that savings can be 50, 60, 70%. Now, I can't make any guarantees, okay? And it's obviously up to the creditor, but we have had a lot of success at debt settlement in our firm. Give me a call if you're in a situation where you'd like me to negotiate your debt, and I can talk to you about it. Thank you.